My name's Christopher.
Ian.
Cyrus.
And Jeremiah.
Hi, my name is McKenna Williamson. Our recipe is called Color Bundles.
First, you're going to want to take your cottage cheese and put it in your blender. That is 1/4 cup of cottage cheese.
A 1/2 tablespoon of ranch seasoning. 2 tablespoons of lime juice.
And then you're going to blend it, and this is the final product of the ranch.
1/4 cup of celery, chopped.
And then you're going to cut some yellow bell pepper, which is 1/4 cup of the bell pepper. Next, you're going to take your cherry tomatoes and cut them into fourths. Assemble all of your vegetables onto the plate, and however order you may choose is how we did it. But you can make it however you want.